Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The IELTS King. My name is Harshit Mantri, and in today's video, I'm going to cover next cue card, that is topic number 8. Describe something you received for free. जब भी आपको लाइफ में कुछ फ्री में मिला हो तो आप कोई भी इंसिडेंट अगर आपके साथ रियल में हुआ हो तो वो बोल सकते हो. मैं यहाँ पे बोलने वाला हूँ, जैसे मैंने लास्ट ईयर एक शॉपिंग एक्सपीरियंस था मेरा अल्फा वन मॉल जो कि अहमदाबाद में वहां पे. तो वहां से मैंने कुछ शॉपिंग की थी, तो वहां पे लकी ड्रॉ कॉन्टेस्ट चल रहा था. अनफॉर्चुनेटली मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला, बट इन दिस टॉपिक आई एम गोइंग टू कवर कि मुझे उसमें कुछ बड़ी गिफ्ट मिली, जैसे कि आईफोन 16 प्रो मैक्स. सो इन टूडेज टॉपिक आई एम गोइंग टू कवर दिस. सो हियर मी आउट फॉर नेक्स्ट 2 minutes. आई एम गोइंग टू स्पीक about I won iPhone 16 Pro Max in a lucky draw contest. I would like to talk about an exciting moment when I received an iPhone 16 Pro Max for free. It was completely unexpected, and this happened during a lucky draw event that took place at Alpha One Mall in Ahmedabad. A few months ago, I went to this mall with my friends and for shopping, and saw that they were running a festive lucky draw contest. The rule was very simple. If you made a purchase above 10,000 rupees, you would get a lucky draw coupon. Since I had already purchased the things worth 10,000 rupees, I got one entry into this contest. Honestly, I didn't think much about it and just dropped my coupon into the box without expecting anything. A week later, I received a phone call from the mall's management team informing me that my name had been selected as the grand prize winner. At first, I couldn't believe it. I even thought that it might be a prank by someone, but after verifying all the details, I realized that I had actually won the iPhone 16 Pro Max. When I went to collect the prize, there was a small ceremony where they had handed over this phone to me. Holding such a premium and expensive smartphone for free felt absolutely amazing. I was overjoyed. I had always wanted to upgrade my phone, but I had never imagined getting one without spending a single rupee. Overall, this experience was thrilling and I can never forget. It made me realize that sometimes life surprises us in the most unexpected ways. I felt extremely lucky and grateful for this opportunity, and it also made my friends super jealous. Then on the next day, I posted this whole incident on my social media platforms, and I had posted on Facebook and Instagram, and everybody had congratulated me. It was an experience I can never ever forget. That was the first time I won something for free, and I even today whenever I think about it, I feel over the moon. So guys, I hope आपको ये आइडिया अच्छा लगा होगा इस क्यू कार्ड में. अब अनफॉर्चुनेटली मुझे तो आईफोन नहीं मिला. आई होप आपको किसी दिन ऐसे ही कोई लकी ड्रॉ में आईफोन मिल जाए. आई नो दैट्स एन अमेजिंग फीलिंग. सो इसमें आप आईफोन की जगह टीवी बोल सकते हैं, कुछ भी थोड़ा बहुत चेंजेस कर सकते हैं. आप ये भी बोल सकते हैं कि मैंने अमेजोन से कुछ ऑर्डर किया और उन्होंने रैंडमली मेरा नाम सिलेक्ट करके मुझे आईफोन भेजा है, कुछ भी. तो आप थोड़ा बहुत अपने हिसाब से स्टोरी को चेंज कर सकते हैं, बट दिस इज द स्टोरी विच आई फील एवरीबडी कैन रिलेट टू, और आप इसको यूज कर सकते हैं, इसको बोल सकते हैं. आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. Please like, share and subscribe this particular video and share it with your friends who are preparing for IELTS. Also drop your queries related to speaking in the comment box. Thank you so much.